Hi, I'm Joseph Prince. In this video that I'm going to explain is about how to find a factorial of a number using recursion method. For this, first we know what is recursion. Recursion is a function that calls itself. Recursion is a function of a procedure that runs over and over for a definite number of times is known as recursion. A function that runs over and over for a definite period of time is known as recursion. Recursion follows divide and conquer method to solve problems. Recursion solutions are short and simpler than non-recursive functions. Now let us know about what is factorial. Factorial is nothing but the product of an integer and all the integers below it till 1. That is here we have taken an example to know the above statement. If we take an integer that is 5, the product of an integer and all the integers below it, that is integer is 5 and all the integers below it till 1 is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the product of an integer and all the integers below it till 1 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, that is equal to 120. This is what factorial is. Now let us see the function that is used to find a factorial of a number using recursion method. This is the function, okay. Int fact of int n, if n equal to 1, return 1, else return n into fact of n minus 1. Now we can take an example. If an user enters the number as 5 to find the factorial of 5, in fact of 5, now n equal to 5, n equal to 1, that is 5 equal to 1, that is not true, false, then it won't return this statement. Then it goes to the next statement, 5 into fact of n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, 4. Here that is the same that I have given here, okay. Now return 5 into fact of 4. Here fact of 4 is another function that is calling inside itself. Then it goes to the then it calls another function, then it goes here, and now n has become 4. n has become 4. 4 equal to 1, that is false. Then it goes to the next statement and it returns 4 into fact of 3. Before returning this statement, here is another function is calling, that is fact of 3. Then it goes here. Now n has become 3. 3 equal to 1, that is false. Now it goes to the next statement, that is 3 into fact of n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2. Here fact of 2 is another function it is calling. Then it executes fact of 2. Now n is equal to 2. 2 equal to 1, that is false. Then it goes to the else statement. Then it's try to return 2 into fact of n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. Here there is another function that is fact of 1. Then it goes executing fact of 1. Now n is equal to 1. 1 equal to 1, that is true. Now n has become true. 1 equal to 1 is true here. Then it returns, now it is returning 1 to here. In fact of 1 is 1. Now it goes here, that is fact of 1 equal to 1. Now fact of 1 is 1, that is 2 into fact of 1, that is 2 into 1 equal to 2. This returns here. 3 into fact of 2, fact of 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Then 6 returns here, that is 4 into fact of 3, that is fact of 3 is 6. 4 into 6 is 24. Then next this 24 returns the fact of 4, that is 5 into fact of 4 is 24. Then 5 into 4, that is equal to 120. Then finally 120 returns as output factor of 5 is 120. And now we go with the coding part. Here goes the main function. Here we ask the user to enter the number, and we are read the number using the variable n, and we have declared n as a integer variable here, and we are calling the function fact of n. Before that, we have declared a function prototype here in fact of int, and this function is called here int fact of n. And this function is called, this is the same function which I explained before, int fact of n. If n equal to 1, return 1, else n return n into fact of n minus 1. Then finally it returns the function when it called, returns here, and we are displaying that using printf statement here. And let us see how the program runs. Run the program. It is showing as enter the number. Now I am giving the number as 5. It is giving the output as 120. If we give another number, that is 4, it is showing 24. Factor of 4 is 24. It is correct. Thank you guys.